In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play services missing. If you're seeing errors related to Google Play services or certain apps are not working properly because the service appears to be missing, don't worry. In many cases, the fix is fairly simple. We're going to go through the process of enabling the app, resetting its stored data, checking for updates, and then restarting your phone so the changes can fully take effect. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Once you're in Settings, tap Apps and then choose See All Apps. This will open the full list of applications installed on your device. Depending on your phone model, the wording may be slightly different, but you're basically looking for the complete app list. Next, scroll through the list and find Google Play services. If you don't see it right away, it may be hidden because it's a system app. In that case, turn on the option labeled Show System or something similar so hidden system apps become visible. Once Google Play Services appears, tap on it. If the app has been disabled, you should see an Enable button. Go ahead and tap Enable to turn it back on. This is important because if Google Play Services is turned off, many Google-related features and apps may stop working correctly. After that, tap Storage and Cache. Inside this section, tap Clear Cache first, then tap Clear Storage. This helps remove temporary files and reset the app's stored data, which can often resolve issues caused by corruption, failed updates, or incomplete background processes. Don't worry, this step is commonly used for troubleshooting and can help refresh how the service runs on your phone. Once that's done, move on to checking for updates. Use the official Google Play Services support page to check for system updates and force a refresh. This step is useful because sometimes the missing service issue happens when your phone is running an outdated or incomplete version. Updating can restore the proper files and get everything back in sync. Finally, restart your phone. This last step is important because it allows your device to reload system services and apply all the changes you just made. After the phone turns back on, check whether the Google Play Services error is gone and whether your apps are working normally again. If the issue was caused by the app being disabled, corrupted cache, or an update problem, this process should help fix it. Follow each part carefully, and your device should be in much better shape.